Hey guys, how we doing today? It's the Rebel Filmmaking Community. I am Sean. We're on the YouTube channel today to talk about 3 ways to be more prepared for your shoot. Number 1, make a checklist. I mean, even if you're just acting, I'll make a checklist of what I need to bring. So it'll be like backpack, phone charger, maybe my computer if I'm writing. I mean, if you're the director, it could be a number of things. Shot list, storyboards, whatever. It doesn't matter. Make a checklist the night before, day before. It helps. Ultimately, my methodology is all about preparing beforehand so you're as relaxed as possible on set. Because things are going to happen. You don't want to already be tense from your lack of preparation. Number 2, talk to your department heads before the shoot day. So if you can't get a prep day in, prep days are paid days of work to the crew where they scout the site. So you'll have lighting, G&E, camera, sometimes sound, the producers, all checking the site the day or week before so they can be, what I just said, better prepared. Sometimes we don't get that. You do your best. You take pictures, send it around. You talk about it. You know, especially on the lower budget shoots, there's not a lot of prep sometimes. I mean, if you're on one location, you can make that happen. So if you can, do a prep day. But if not, talk to your department heads beforehand. If not, just the DP at least. And, really, again, we're in the pre-production prep mode here. Number 3, visualize and rehearse your day the night before. It doesn't all stick, but some will. And it'll make your day go more smoothly. And I don't mean you have to 6 hours in your room rehearsing. I mean, just kind of be like, all right, I'm going to arrive to set. I'll probably talk to the DP. Okay, and then from there, okay, if this goes, then we'll go to that scene. Okay, and if this scene falls apart, because that's what happens. Sometimes you can't shoot the scene you thought. So it's nice to already have a plan B and C in mind, right? Basic preparation skills, guys. So in summary, 3 ways to be more prepared for your shoot. We're going to make a checklist. Number 2, we're going to talk to your department heads or have a prep day before. Number 3, we're going to visualize and rehearse our day the night before. Kind of just like an actor. All right, guys. I love you all. I hope you're out there making content. We are the RFC, and I hope you have a wonderful day.